In this video, I'll be showing you our latest van conversion upgrade, the Vanderbar. This is a pull-up bar that attaches onto the roof of your van. You could also use this to attach a hammock chair or a TRX suspension trainer. It can be retrofitted onto a Citroen Relay, Peugeot Boxer or Fiat Ducato van by utilising the existing T-bolts where roof racks and awnings normally fix into. This means that no holes are drilled through the roof structure and the bar can be added after your conversion is complete. Now the component parts are in front of me and you can see we've got this outer casing here, which is what's fixed onto the top of the van. It's powder coated in a black, but it can be any other colour to suit the actual paintwork of the van itself. This is the inner tube, which slots inside the outer casing. And on this side, you can see we've got a ring bolt that you can hang different items off of, such as hammock chairs or TRX, so that you can do your exercises. We've got a locking pin here, which will lock the inner casing in the shut position when you're driving the vehicle. Nuts and bolts, obviously, to secure everything in place. We got 3 base feet, which actually secure the outer casing to the van itself, and they've got 3mm rubber on the bottoms to prevent chafing on the van metal. These are the U-channel brackets that we fabricated, and these actually lock the Vanderbar onto the existing T-bolts so that they can go onto the factory fitted securing areas on the top of your van. So let's put this together and get it up there. So the first part of the installation is we're going to attach the 3 base feet to the actual outer casing itself. We're going to do this using these M8 bolts, some nylock nuts and 4 washers. You're on camera. What's that? You filming? Now that the base is fixed to the 3 feet, we're then going to take the U-channel brackets up onto the roof and fix them to the existing T-bolts where the roof decks, roof racks and awnings are meant to fit. You can see this slots apart and there's a little slot underneath that slides into the T-bolt, and then essentially we clamp this one down over the top of it, and then we put the base feet on top of these bolts, put the washer and a nut to secure it in place. I'll go show you that now. So now that the inner bar is being put into the outer casing, we're going to put the bolt with a lock washer just through that threaded nut, as I mentioned. We'll nip that up, and once that's nipped up, it will stop the bar from being able to be pulled all the way out of the actual outer casing. So I'll do that now. Nip that all the way up. You can see as I pull the bar out, it locks. It's locked now so that the bolt is catching on the inner bar and stopping it from being pulled all the way out. The last thing to do is put this locking pin through the hole, lock it in position, put that on there like that, and that now locks the Vanderbar so that it won't fly out when you're driving. And then obviously take it out like so, pull the bar out. There's a second lock hole under here, so once the bar protrudes 90 centimeters, you can then lock it off like this, and then you've got your bar. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more content on van conversion.